Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Create with Kate 56. How is everybody doing today? I'm doing really well, thank you. Today I wanted to show you my finished journal. Eva from Bohemian Crafting did this Halloween journal, and I thought I'm going to give that a try. It's made from a reconstructed book. It is, I didn't measure, 5.5 by 8.5. The spine I had to make bigger, and it is about 1.25 inches. So this is the original cover that was on the book. I did some texture paste, Tim Holtz texture paste, did a stencil on the front. When I made the signature bigger, I added this piece of it's like batik fabric here to hold them together. I did a frame using the embossing folder of the wood from Tim Holtz. I painted it black. I sanded it down. I added some grip paste to it and added a little peel paint color to that. The photo that's inside here is from a kit that Eva has that you can get for this Halloween journal. And this is acetate, which I've scuffed up and applied some alcohol ink to. So I'll give you a better look. There's the texture paste. I used, it's all painted black. Then I added mica sprays from last year's Halloween. The green, the purple, and the black. And I can't tell you right at this minute what their official names are, but so that's what that looks like. I have a hitch post here on the top, and then I put an eyelet in the back and put this braided cord around there and tied it just to hold it shut. So let's go ahead and get started inside. So these are some things that are included in the kit that Eva has. It's the numbers and what their meanings are. So this is the number, and then this is what the meaning is. And I add these little tabs on there and put a little circle to hold them down. So there's all those. This is sprayed with different mica sprays as well on the inside. This first page is a napkin decoupaged on here, and I put some mica spray splatters on there as well. These are the papers that's in the kit, and she printed them on label paper, so I did as well. And then hers was 2 to a page, but mine was just one big old sheet, so I did have to cut mine down the middle. Here I've got one of the pictures that she has. Inside here I just did some washi tape, and then this makes a pocket, and this is from I can't think of the name. I'll put it below where I got this from. I just made a couple tab things, so added an eyelet, added a key, and this is done on photo paper here. The edges on here are from where the sticker paper was bigger, and so this is pieces of paper towel actually, and she shows how to do that in that video, and I think it gives it a really nice look throughout the whole book. So there's that page. Then here I have a lot of Tim Holtz rub-ons in here as well. This is from I believe it's from Pegasus Paper. And I made those into stickers. And this is from the kit from Eva. And of course I've got the little words all over. This is a little book that was included in the kit. And it's just got papers and that sort of thing on there. So I clipped that to the side. Here's another page. I just got a couple of stickers that I made here. Some Tim Holtz Word, Poison Label. And these are all Eva's papers. Over here I've got a picture that was in the kit. I just put a little tab on it to lift up. And then I've got a haunted house down here on the bottom. Here is, oh, I gotta take my rub-off paper off of there. What the heck is that? Here is another picture that was in the kit. More of the rub-ons from Tim Holtz. This one is an envelope as well. And in here is this. And more pages. This is a picture that was in her collection. And this spider web I made following G. Kerr's tutorial on how to make a spider web tag. And I thought that turned out really cute. So I think I have 3 in here with that on it. Some more here. Here is a flip out, and she shows you how to do this as well. So this flips out here. It's got a vellum page here, and then it opens up over here so you can write over there as well. Here's another page, more rub-ons. More rub-ons. Here's another picture page, and there is this inside there. But I love the way the sides of these papers look. They look really cool. Some more rub-ons on this page. Put this rub-on up there. Got a little poison sticker there, a little bat. The skeleton on this page. Little label, rub-on, and curiosities on there. Got different rub-ons on here. Here we got another picture page, which is an envelope. And in here, got this advertisement for caskets, and this was in her kit. So this is a witch's book, and I had this medical dictionary. So I went ahead and added some pages from that to use as like reference material for our little witches. You have some rub-ons up here. There's a thing about brushes, and then here is a saying, like a spell in there. More rub-ons, another picture page. I put this upside down. There's actually, if you look at it, let me turn it. There's a skull with a crown in that bug. But I meant to have him go the other way, but I forgot. And here's another one of the photos. I've never done a book, a journal using the actual pages from a book still in it. So this was kind of fun. This is my walnut stained paper that I did. Here's another one that flips out and over. So there's plenty of places to write in here as well. Here I did this foiling on this black card, so I've got these 2 pockets here, There's an advertisement there, and here is a picture that was in the kit, and then I just tucked those in here. This is a card that was in the kit. I sewed around them. I left my little strings hanging, so I just tucked that up into there. This is Tim Holtz decoupage paper. I used some of that. Here is another one of the spiderweb tags, and this one lifts up, and we've got another spell there. Just to use these little tabs. This was a Tim Holtz die set. It makes those little tags like that. Cock's ghost never depart until the cock crows. That was in Eva's kit. And here's a raven, and I added some feathers up there. Just some rub-ons. This is the middle of the book where I had to cut it. So this is faux German tape, and I can't remember who that's from. I'll see if I can figure that out, and I'll put it down below in the description box. But I just printed on that same label paper and used it just like tape, so it worked out well. I know there's a glare on here. I hope you can see those. Look at those faces. Oh my God. Ugh. But they're in there. Appropriate little rub on there. And then this picture is actually a picture of a building that is near where we live that I took, and I just made it look like a negative. But yeah, that's a really cool building there. And another one of those, this is another one of those tabs from that die cut set of Tim Holtz. Here's another page, got a few rub-ons here and there. Here's this one. This is from, I believe this is from Pegasus Paper as well, this little girl. Here's another flip out. And then the this is a napkin. This is a napkin that decoupaged on here as well, just kind of halfway, and I sprayed the top with some mica sprays and did some inking and such. So yeah, I like how that turned out too. This was in Tim Holtz ephemera for Halloween. Here is another flip up. It says, "Cool it with baboon's blood, then the charm is firm and good." This is glossy accents. This is a cutout of like a magnifying glass, or you know, those eye things they had a long time ago, put in there so they could read actually. And so I did it in glossy accents, and it dried all kind of bent. So when I went to try and straighten it out, it cracked, and I thought, well, hey, that's perfect. So I stuck it over top of a rub-on here. Here is another photo that was in the kit. That flips up. Got another picture page here. And here's an ad. It's backed with my walnut stained paper. Here is the last spiderweb tag that I did. And I just put it on this page with that big spider web. Here's another flip out with the vellum. And then it flips so you can right on this page. And here we got, this is a cutout from the witch, I think right at the beginning. Where is she at? Anyway, it's one of the here's this, yeah, one of the tags. She was holding this cat in her lap, so I thought I'd use that as a little tuck. And another journaling card. This was a picture in the kit, and here's another journaling card here. This is Tim Holtz paper, and this is a cabinet of curiosities that I got from Pegasus Paper. It's really cool. And yeah, she's got different cabinets and then different things you can stick inside the cabinet yourself. So yeah, these are all attached to the cabinet. And another journaling card there. And then there's the back, and this also is in Tim Holtz ephemera. So yeah, there's my book. I thought it turned out pretty cool. I really love this paper idea on the edges. It's really cool to feel it. And the spine turned out good. I like this on the front, and of course those mica sprays really really adds to this. But I didn't want it to look too, you know, flashy because it's been around. So that's why I roughed it up some. Did this kind of look on the spine. So alright guys, that's it. This journal will be for sale. I'll have it listed in my coffee shop later today, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks. Bye.